The 4-wheel steer JCB 4CX15 Super is the largest backhoe model we produce, and this latest incarnation really is a product of our 60-plus years as backhoe market leader, bearing a host of performance, comfort, safety, and efficiency improvements, like our new award-winning EcoMAX T4i compliant engine, which meets Tier 4i legislation without bulky DPF or SCR. Compact installation provides uncompromised visibility and maneuverability. The 4CX15 Super also has high ground clearance and 4 equal-sized wheels, so it can tackle terrain unlike any other backhoe. The 4CX15 Super's new EcoMAX engine is designed, tested and built by JCB to work perfectly with JCB axles and gearboxes. T4i compliant EcoMAX produces power and torque at around 1500 RPM for responsiveness and fuel-efficient matching of the transmission and hydraulics. Because EcoMAX doesn't use exhaust after treatment, it doesn't need costly heat-resistant lube oils or AdBlue, saving servicing costs. And, because EcoMAX can be adapted to run on lower-grade fuels, backhoes are resaleable across different territories, which boost residuals. JCB 4CX15 Super engines are tried and tested. We've built 200,000 DieselMax engines since 2004, and we've tested EcoMAX for 110,000 hours in 70 different machines across the toughest applications and environments. For ultimate loading performance, productivity, and roading efficiency, the JCB 4CX15 Super's EcoMAX engine delivers as much as 109 horsepower and 381 lb-ft of torque. JCB's unique torque lock system is standard fit on all 109 horsepower PowerShift 4CX15 Super models. Combined with our optional 6-speed auto-shift transmission, it can help save up to 25% on fuel and 10% on road travel time. An optional limited slip differential gives a JCB 4CX15 Super superior traction and performance, as well as reduced tire wear. The 4CX15 Super JCB backhoe loader is fitted with EcoRoad technology to provide the highest efficiency and productivity levels when roading. Fuel consumption is reduced, while machine speed and working area are increased by up to 10%. The JCB 4CX15 Super has 3 modes of 4-wheel steering and a large 1.1 cubic meters shovel capacity for exceptional on-site productivity. Our 6-speed auto-shift transmission with floor-mounted kickdown switch provides great pulling power on the 4CX15 Super. A new high-output variable flow pump reduces the JCB 4CX15 Super's cycle times, saves fuel and, on manual backhoes, lighter lever effort makes control easier. There's more tractive effort at the 4CX15 Super's pile than ever, thanks to new variable flow pump power management and the new JCB EcoMAX engine. The 4CX15 Super's 4-ram self-leveling loader automatically adjusts the shovel on both the raise and lower cycle without any need for manual adjustment. It also provides unhindered front shovel visibility, especially when loading at height. The optional combined hammer and bidirectional circuit provides optimized low-flow and high-flow hydraulic power with low back pressure for great attachment versatility. JCB's new hydraulic quick hitch makes attachment changing on the 4CX15 Super quick, safe and compliant with current and future legislation. At the loading end of the JCB 4CX15 Super, our return to dig feature automatically resets the shovel into the loading position, and selectable transmission disconnect diverts maximum hydraulic power from the engine to the loader arms. JCB 4CX15 Super axles and transmission are designed to withstand a 12,000-hour design life. Heavyweight axles are built to withstand serious shock loads. The rear axle alone has a static load rating of 55,125 pounds, 25,011 kilograms, and a dynamic load rating of 27,562 pounds, 12,505 kilograms. We use stress-relieved fabrication for the 4CX15 Super's boom. By heating materials to over 650 C for over 16 hours, we make sure the metal is evenly heated, doubling boom life. the 4CX15 Super's pre-production testing regime included 100,000 loading cycles, 500,000 excavating cycles, 360,000 gear change cycles, extensive bump track testing to ensure structural integrity, and thousands of hours of endurance testing. We also carried out extensive EMC testing on the 4CX15 Super. This ensures that signals from mobile phones and radios don't affect the machine in any way. Every new JCB 4CX15 Super is put through around 600 performance checks on the production line. Our construction materials are tested to the limit by exposing them to extreme temperatures, chemicals, salt, oil, and light. That way, we know they'll survive the most hostile conditions. For rigidity and hose protection, there are flat plate depressing loader arms on the JCB 4CX15 Super. The robot welded single-piece chassis on the 4CX15 Super maximizes strength and minimizes weight. Hydraulic hoses are approved to work down to -40 degrees Celsius, and all JCB 4CX15 Super materials are tested to extreme temperatures and exposed to chemical, salt, oil, and sunlight to ensure maximum protection. The JCB 4CX15 Super is designed to enable fatigue-free, productive day-long working. The cab is rubber-mounted and isolated for low noise and vibration. A JCB 4CX15 Super cab is inspired by the automotive industry for familiarity. A heated air suspension seat, heated front windshield, and a hot beverage machine are just some of the quality features you can find within. Ergonomic seat-mounted excavator-style controls, with optional excavator-style backhoe and loader servo controls, provide fingertip control, great comfort and excellent maneuverability. For more comfort and less material spillage, the 4CX15 Super's Smooth Ride System, SRS, minimizes bounce during travel. You can quickly reset your shovel to the digging position with our Return to Dig feature too. High back-off brakes reduce viscous drag during roading and rehandling, which improves economy by up to 1%. The optional handheld tool circuit means you can increase versatility by using your 4CX15 Super as a power source for handheld tools, such as drills, breakers, cutters, and even water pumps. JCB 4CX15 Super backhoe loaders are quiet places to work, both inside and out. Particularly the 109 horsepower models, which are the quietest in the industry. Controls on the 4CX15 Super feature an LCD panel detailing machine hours, service information, fuel level, and system warnings. A 360 degrees view through tinted windows aids comfort, productivity, and safety. Our innovative scoop design one-piece rear windscreen allows JCB 4CX15 Super operators to see right into the trench when excavating. To make operators feel right at home in the 4CX15 Super, they can opt for the standard fit traditional manual control system, with a choice of 3 control patterns: JCB-X, SAE, and ISO. There's even an in-cab cool box. An upgraded engine and fuel filter prevents engine wear and extends our EcoMAX engine's working life. Daily underhood checks are a thing of the past with the JCB 4CX15 Super. All engine checks are done automatically by the Canvas Electronics Engine Management System. Most Tier 4i engines use a diesel particulate filter, DPF, or SCR, requiring additional AdBlue fluid level maintenance. EcoMAX doesn't. For an even more efficient backhoe experience, JCB's new multifunctional instrument control panel can provide the 4CX15 Super's current and average fuel consumption, as well as service faults and critical faults. The plastic fuel tank on a JCB 4CX15 Super is completely rust-proof to prevent rust forming in the tank, which protects the fuel injection system. The single-piece composite cab floor is also rust-proof, with molded water channels. The 4CX15 Super's power brakes utilized the existing hydraulic supply, reducing operator costs and daily service checks. A large fuel tank means extended periods between fill-ups for a longer, more productive working day. Getting into a JCB 4CX15 Super is easy and safe. There are large grab handles, a wide door opening, and open grid design steps that prevent dirt buildup. Our new unique integral shovel street pads option prevents ground damage from your 4CX15 Super and, therefore, costly repairs. Power brakes allow efficient, safe stopping power with low pedal effort. New rear light guards provide extra protection for your 4CX15 Super backhoe on site. JCB tractor backhoes have always had class-leading braking performance, but the 4CX15 Super takes this even further. Modeled on car brakes, our power brakes provide proportional braking throughout the pedal travel for superb control. There's a redesigned and lowered ergonomic brake pedal on the 4CX15 Super, while full floating discs reduce drag, improve fuel economy and increase road speed.